Hey guys, I'm gonna hop on this chaffle craze. I'm sure you guys heard about it. It's pretty much taken over the internet. And it's basically cheese and an egg in a waffle maker. So I have a regular Belgian waffle maker. So my chaffle is not gonna be one of those tiny mini ones. I may just make one and then cut it in half and make a breakfast sandwich out of it. So here we go. So my waffle maker is nice and hot. I have about a 1/3 cup of Mexican blend cheese here. So that's a 1/3 cup of cheese. I'm gonna add into, actually, let me get a bigger measuring cup so I can stir easier. So this Pyrex set I had from Amazon. I purchased it from Amazon. I may put a link in the description, but don't quote me because I'm lazy. So I have about a 1/3 cup of cheese. I'm gonna add this into the measuring cup. I love it because it has a spout, and that should help me with pouring the what do you call this thing? Pouring the mixture, the chaffle mixture, into the waffle maker. So next, I have an egg. I'm gonna lightly beat it, dirtying up all my dishes. Anyways, beat it and pour. This is super simple. But because I'm addicted to black pepper, I'm going to add a little pepper. I am not going to add any salt. So we mix, we mix, we mix. Hopefully you can see this pretty well. It's not liquid-like or anything like that, but you want it to be well blended, well combined. Almost looks like a dough. So next, I'm gonna add a little cheese. I'm gonna melt some cheese into the waffle maker. This is supposed to help it get a nice little crust, so your mixture don't just taste eggy. So in all, I should have basically 1 cup of cheese. Use whatever cheese that you like. I'm not a cheese lover, so I just went for anything. And here's my mixture up close. Now you can see the cheese is already melted in the waffle maker. Let me add this and spread it out. You can use more than 1 egg. This is my real first time doing this. I've made the cheese tortillas. I've made the cheese crisps, but first time on the chaffle. So let's close this and give it, I don't know, maybe about 3 minutes and then check it. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been another 2 minutes. This is looking pretty good. You can sprinkle a little more cheese on top so it can get crispier, but this should it should cool. It should crisp as it cools. Actually, the ends are a little soft, so let's keep going. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna open this up. It's been going now for about 7 minutes. Looks good. I'm gonna flip it over so you guys can see the other side. Look at that. And you get a lot of that crisp from the, what do you call it, from the additional cheese that I put down first. So I only need really one crispy side, and that's because I'm making a sandwich out of it. So let me bring you in for a close-up. Hopefully this is focusing. Sorry for the shaky camera. That's this side without the additional cheese. And this is with the additional cheese. Okay. So I'm going to cut. Whew, it's hot and it's crispy. So I have some Caramel Kitchen avocado mayo. I'm thinking I may need something on this chaffle. So I'm going to add a little, just a little, maybe a teaspoon of the avocado mayo. And if you haven't tried this, I think you should. I picked it up from Costco. Costco's giving me Keto Life right now. Oh, I really didn't even need the whole teaspoon. And tell me, did you hear the crisp? You heard that? Hopefully you heard it. I had to put it near the mic. So now I'm going to make my sandwich out of it. Okay. I'm going to add the sausage slices. How should I do this? Yeah, that works. And my fried egg. And then just fold over. Woo. Waffle maker's still hot. Fold over my other end of the chaffle. And then, let's see, let's maybe cut it in half again. Oop, the tree fell out. Can you guys see this? Oh, I'm all out of focus and out of the frame. But here we go. You see that? Imagine if you use this for a sandwich with some lunch meat, some lettuce, tomato. Oh my goodness. Like a breakfast BLT, something like that. Can you see this? Okay, I hate eating on camera, recording myself, but I'm gonna bite it. Hold on. Okay, sis, this is good. So, gotta go now, and hopefully you like it, hopefully you try it. Remember, use any cheese you like, and thumbs up. Bye. Okay guys, so here is a better close-up. I had to find some better lighting and hold up this plate just so you can really see. This looks so good. Look at that. Nice. Thank you for watching.